Welcome to the big time show. We all smoking, you should know. You're not 18, hit the road, but come on back soon as you can grow. But come on back soon as you can grow.
Yo, what's up with you YouTube? Romies, big timers? That's right, it's your boy Big Time back in the basement. Ain't much to show today, man, except for how much they've grown, And your boy Big Time likes to play with his plants, man, and it's killing me. It's killing me not to mess with these things, being autos. You don't want to stress them out. You don't want to overwork them or nothing. And it's driving Big Time crazy. Anyway, these are cool little shields, man. I had them over top of some of these plants. I switch them off and on. I had a bunch of them. I don't know where they're at, but yeah, keeps the moisture in. Works out pretty nice. Yeah, let's move you in here real quick and let you see what's going on. Remember, we're in the 4x4 Vivo Sun, the smart Vivo Sun smart controller. Right now we're sitting at 57% humidity and 79 degrees. So, and it's because the tent's open. So we're doing real nice. Nice and healthy. We're going to bring you in here real close so you can see them. Your boy Big Time is ready to train. So let me know, man, in the comments if it's how early or when I can train or start topping, or when I can start with these plants. Well, let's look at them. Let's see what we got. That's right. Vivo Sun 4x4. Oh, look, we're dropping down to 73. It is cold out here, though. Ohio is getting cold. And then we got the 6-inch in line. And the AC Infinity 6-inch fan. And like I said, a couple of humidifiers. But my boy Rock, get you in here real close and let you see what they're looking like. This is a Dream Rider. These are all on day 12 from seed. Not looking too bad. Now these ones up front for some reason are the slowest ones. This one was definitely behind. She's coming in. And this is a Dream Rider. And the soil's not too wet, promise it's not. But it definitely isn't drying out very fast. Maybe because I had the domes on these two. I had the domes on these two. So this is the blue Dream. And then we have a Caribbean Dream. And I want to play so bad. And I hope this doesn't bother them. You know what I mean? I'm not stressing it out like this, just playing with the leaves, am I? Let me know something, Gromies. I don't want to mess up. Alright, so we have an American Gangster right here. She's doing pretty good, if I do say so myself. American Gangster. And then we have a Blue Dream. Look at her. She's doing very nice. Trying to make sure these nodes stay open. Get as much light as possible. And then I got my Solo Cup American Gangster right there. And she is doing very well. I hope I can get this one to the end. This one is probably the one I want to the end the most, of course. Because it's the Solo Cup grow. My first one I really did all up. But and there's an American Gangster. Looking very, very healthy. And this is a Caribbean Dream, and she is by far doing the best. A little bit of dew on her. Don't want them water drops to stay on there We burn them leaves up real quick. Yeah, Caribbean Dream is doing good. And then there's another American gangster, Mr. Fat Buds. We are doing good, but in reality, I am probably only going to do these back 6 and gift these 4 in the front out if somebody's willing to take care of them.
Subscribe, share, follow, stay tuned. Chronic chatter, CC 420, never prune. Mr. Trichomes break it down smooth. We grow legends, never moving rough. Big time buds, tattoos on the skin. Fresh auto flowers, we always win. Tune in, chronic chatter on the air. Growing stronger, we got flair to spare. Soil rich, light tight, nutrients dripping. Frosty buds gleaming, under the dripping. Talk tales of green, ink dreams alive. Chronic chatter group, growing strive. Seeds popping off, roots getting thick. Hydro setups, tricks that stick. Buds fatten up, vibrant and proud. Mr. Trichomes leads, growing loud. Big time buds, tattoos on the skin. Fresh auto flowers, we always win. Tune in, chronic chatter on the air. Growing stronger, we got flair to spare.
Share, ring that bell. You guys want to check this grow out? Like I said, more than likely, we're just going to run those 6. And we're going to leave them in the pots. These are their forever pots, so let's hope for the best. All right, it's your boy Big Time.
Big time buds, tattoos on the skin. Fresh auto flowers, we always win. Tune in, chronic chatter on the air. Growing stronger, we got flair to spare.